public service at naglingkod siya sa apat na alkalde ng Maynila, si Mayor Pugoso, Mayor De La Fuente, Mayor Lacson at Mayor Villegas. Napadpad lang ako sa San Juan at dito ko ibinuhos ang aking panahon para masiayos ang bayan ng San Juan. For 17 years, I was mayor of the then underperforming municipality of San Juan. The first thing I did as mayor was to establish peace and order, because I believe as long as there's no peace and order, there will be no economic growth. Bayanihan followed, like what the GNI is doing now. The rich and the poor helped to build roads, clean up the streets, and made them safe. After that, business investment flowed into San Juan, jobs were created. Today, San Juan is now a city and is much more progressive than the city of Manila. At ngayon, inaalay ko po ang huling yukto ng aking buhay upang maglingkod naman sa lungsod ng Maynila. Umpisa natin to sa peace and order. We must address the rising criminality in the city. We will discipline and prosecute erring scalawags, the cotton caps in the police force, what I refer to as the hoodlums in uniform. We must remove these hoodlums. Kawawa naman ang mga pulis na matino, pati sila nadadamay. When I was president, we cleaned the police force. Inalis namin yung mga dapat alisin at suportahan namin yung mga pulis na tunay na naglilingkod sa taong bayan. For the first time in the history, under the Estrada administration, for the first time in the Philippine National Police, the approval rating of the National Police reached its highest rating at plus 56%. Before that, it was always in the negative. While restoring peace and order, we must improve the financial condition of the city by generating revenues for basic social services and job creation. We must launch a massive revenue generation, and there are three main sources of revenue for local government unit. These are the real property tax, the business tax,